Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we'll make a custom MDF card for a birthday. Whenever a birthday or anniversary or wedding comes up, a lot of people end up just going to the store, buying a $3 card, signing it, and giving it out. The problem with that is the value of that card is $3 and it will be thrown out as soon as the cake is eaten or shortly thereafter. What we can do here in the shop is something that you actually want to keep. So in this case here, it's just a really simple card made out of MDF, but this could have been paint-filled Corian, it could be acrylic, it can be polycarbonate, it could be any kind of material that you want, including stainless steel if you have enough volume. So if you want a custom greeting card, we can actually do both sides. So on the front can be your design of whatever you want. Let's say it's for a company or a government institution or something like that. We could totally customize this however you want. And then on the back, put a message, whatever message again that you want, using any font, any size that you want. What we'll do now, we'll take a look at the laser making out this cupcake. So it's kind of fun because we're not a bakery, but we can make cupcakes out of any material. I don't know of a material we can actually make this out of that you would be able to eat. I can't really think of anything other than maybe wood, but it might give you constipation or something like that. So if you want some custom cards made that you don't want to be able to eat, contact me at CNCKing.com.